So here we are at 10:04 EST on August 24th. Have I lost my mind? Have I gone mad? Long S&P at decision point 2. 18 points later. Shocker. Absolutely expected and absolutely spelled out by the price. What is the problem with day trading? Astronomical volatility, astronomical stops. Everything in alpha wave trader method based on pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exits. Look at that. Decision point 2 is reached. Second bullish trade of the morning. Pay attention how important this level is. If you learn alpha wave trader method, this level accuracy right out of the manual is mid 90%. Oopsie doopsie doo. Minute chart. Identical to monthly chart. Last time buyers stepped in on S&P monthly close to decision point 2. This time price is not far off from this level. That's exactly why we're witnessing bullish rally today. Big question remains, is it sustainable? I will be on vacation. You know the rules, you know what to do. Here are the rules. This level is broken, S&P is heading to here. This level is broken, S&P is heading to 800. That's simple and that pure. Everything been posted on my website since 2011. All the levels spelled out by alpha wave trader method since 2009 had been reached. We've been in bearish correction for the last 9 months. I warned you constantly. This bearish correction is not gonna be forever. We will see ultimate collapse. Let's take a look on our trade. Trade retraced all the way back down between the levels. Will it blast through decision point 2 and fly to 1922? Shocker. Reversal zone on the minute charts is identical to the same formula as reversal zone on monthly. Identical to reversal zone on Apple. Does this look familiar? Apple is finding buyers from decision point 2. You are knowledgeable position trader on Apple. You had been long out long time ago. This is bullish day on Apple. This is a key level to the upside. Don't matter to me what I trade, what I demonstrate the method on. Should matter to you. If you are an option trader like about 20% of our students, you are in phenomenal shape. And you're trading S&P minute charts with options. Let's see what this long trade will do. Adjust your trail to 1895. If you day trade S&P nowadays, you have mega account size, at least 500,000 plus. Volatility astronomical, stops are astronomical. Never ever 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 day trade with more than 1% risk. Here we go. How did we know? 18 points on S&P in a matter of minutes? Pure and simple. Price told us so very, very clearly that it's heading to this level. But this is crucial resistance level. Just like on Apple weekly, just like on S&P monthly. It's all the same formula. If I will remove the name monthly, you wouldn't have a clue if this is 1 minute chart or if this is a yearly chart. And let me remind you what you see happen on S&P as posted on social media for years. Remember what happened to few of the major stocks. Here we go. That was Amazon weekly. Complete collapse. Last year received a lot of thank you emails. Not the place you want to enter to. Clear? Exact same thing happening on S&P. Take a look what has happened to Bank of America. Shocker. Alpha wave trader proprietary Fibonacci level collapse on Bank of America from 18. Where is Bank of America today? We should revisit all the stocks. Correct? Finding buyers not far off from decision point 2. Where did Euro collapse from and where did Euro find the buyers? and staged powerful bullish rally from. As expected, end of minor trend on euro reached from euro collapse from reversal zone, short from 3800. Clear? All the same formula. If you know Fibonacci levels, if you know Alpha Wave Trader rules, it doesn't matter. If you've been shorting euro from 3800, taking it all the way into the end of the minor trend where euro staged impressive rally. You would have never been holding Bank of America into reversal zone. You would have been out of S&P just like I have been out of S&P as of a year ago. Being a position trader, being invested in S&P is not a good idea. This is the most crucial months on S&P since 2009. All the levels spelled out by Alpha Wave Trader method since 2009 had been reached. Response at decision point 2 remains key level. Response on our trade is very, very important. Price blasting through, it's flying to 1920. Let's see what will happen on this trade. Let's look on oil. I will bring up the charts on oil. This is a post from last year. Take a look at the levels in front of you. Does it look familiar? Is oil right now at what, 40? As I'm heading to Dubai. Not the best time for American to go to Dubai. Where is oil today? Let's take a look, shall we? Oil. So while our S&P trade continue flying, how insane is that? Bullish trend on S&P? Absolutely not. S&P spelled out incredibly clearly. It's heading up and up and up. We're playing very, very conservatively. Clear trail on S&P 1900. 1885 to 1913. Not a bad deal on S&P. So let's take a look on oil and let's see what oil been telling us in forever and what I'm teaching in Fibonacci class tomorrow. We will be focusing on monthly and yearly charts, class open only to the students. 2011, oil spelled out where the end of the minor trend will be. Bullish rally from the end of the minor trend played out until 110, 114, who cares? Price retraced back down to the end of the minor trend in 2012, stage bullish rally until 110. This is the most important level in the market structure. We always have minor trend. We not always have major trend. Clear? This level was broken in 2014. Price came to reversal zone, danced at this level for about 6 months. I said we will take this level only seriously if it will blast through this level. That never happened. Oil is heading to this area. Clear? This is broken. Oil is heading to 11. Nevertheless, we're at the exhaustion levels of oil collapse. We will continue watching bullish corrections. But all the levels spelled out in front of you by oil since 2008. The fight at the end of the minor trend played out in 2011. All preset in price far advanced. Price does not care about news. Price does not care about anything. If you see everything that surrounds you, from flowers, trees, to human face symmetry, it's all found in price. Exact same formula as I'm using on very small time frame on S&P, used on oil monthly. Clear? So let's look on any other instruments. Pretty please do post questions. Dooby-dooby-doo, S&P continue flying. Ladies and gentlemen, Price told us that S&P will continue doing that. Remember? So I would like to pull out Dow indice. Shall we take a Dow and shall we take on gold? If you like me to analyze anything, pretty please post. So S&P is not far off from reversal zone, not far off from reversal zone. Long from 1885 35 points later on S&P in a matter of minutes. Oh, shocker, S&P blasting through? Or is it going to find a selling pressure at 1922? First reversal zone is in. If S&P blasting through 1950, my trade migrates into hourly chart. Trail right at decision point 2, 1908. Clear? So let's monitor what S&P will do at reversal zone. Will it do exact same thing as S&P monthly had done? Will it start finding serious selling pressure? Here's Dow monthly, exact identical formula I use on very small chart on S&P. Here's Dow reversal zone. Anybody wants to be long Dow? Here we go. It's that pure, that simple. All spelled out by Alpha Wave Trader method since 2011. What is important level to the downside on Dow? Decision point 2. And again, as I see the request about Euro. Based on Alpha Wave Trader method, you've been short on Euro from 3,800. Just to recap the chart on Euro. To the upside, in 2013, Euro fought at 3,400 for 8 weeks. Tooth and nail, decision point 1, the most important level in the market structure. Once it was broken and plies through to reversal zone, complete collapse from 3830 to 3400, last chance to buy Euro. And this is very crucial reminder. Does it look familiar what you're seeing on S&P? Where is Euro today? Let's take a look. This was posted in 2014 before I left on vacation. Where is Euro heading to? Euro struggle at 3,400 end of minor trend for months and a half. Just like it struggled to the upside, it struggled to the downside. Once 3,400 was broken, bearish trend became major and collapse became instant. So let's go on Euro today. So here's Euro monthly, here's Euro monthly. Take a look on Euro monthly. Where the bounce is coming from, the end of the minor trend. Do I take this bounce seriously? Absolutely not. This bounce is extremely temporary. Euro can dance at this level for quite a while. Expect to see Euro at 83. 83 is broken, Euro is heading to 54. All the levels spelled out by the price since 2009. Short from 3,800. This bounce is not gonna last forever. Any other questions? Pretty please do ask. Let's keep an eye on our trade on S&P. Shocker! Reversal zone is reached and S&P is not going very far. Will it find serious selling pressure? I expect it to be very, very temporary. So ladies and gentlemen, take a look on gold and take a look where collapse had started. From 1900 area as the reversal zone had been reached. Is that clear? This is exactly the same thing that will happen on S&P monthly. That's exactly the same thing that's happening on Dow monthly. No ifs or buts about it. Here's gold. Let me show you where gold is today. As from the downtrend, gold at reversal zone. Let's talk about gold because gold has something to say. So again, this is gold monthly. This is our flawless trade collapsing from reversal zone. Expected. Yes, this level was spelled out in front of you. The moment I've shown you this trade. And here is the selling pressure. Exact same way it's happening on S&P monthly. Exact same way it happened on Euro, on Apple, on gold. If you don't know what time frame this is, only then you recognize price is moving in exact same fashion on any instrument and any time frame. This is precisely the reason I named this level reversal zone. Clear? If you know where reversal zone is, you are not acquiring position into this level. Very small minute chart, baby chart on S&P. Identical formula as S&P monthly. No ifs or buts about it. Clear? What you have to identify is what's appropriate for you and your account size. So let's take a look on gold next and what to expect from gold now. Bearish trend on gold is over for now. What's extremely important to monitor on gold? For alpha wave trader rules. While Al will be on vacation, gold will tell you if this is a perfect time to buy gold or if you need to wait for something more. In the meantime, let me tell you what to expect and what to pay attention to. Remember oil, very crucial level to the upside that oil was not able to break through. This is the level on gold. Pay attention to this level. This is when we're gonna start taking gold seriously. But gold played out multiple long opportunities on smaller charts, such as daily, multiple. Will this transform into monthly chart? As bearish trend reached reversal zone. We've been reminding you, this is not the place or time to short gold. Every time price comes to reversal zone, it's finding buyers, correct? But struggling to break through this level to the upside. Here's our do trade on S&P. Shocker. Out completely. Long from 1885 until 19 almost 30. Wowzer. How many points is that? 50? Ridiculous. Ridiculous markets. And this is very crucial reminder. Respect and know Fibonacci levels. It doesn't matter if you trade yearly gold or if you trade baby chart on S&P. What you trade is up to you. Results today on S&P take entirely different meaning. 2 long trades this morning. Third trade, instantly 8 points. Second trade, who knows how many points, honestly. 40 plus, between 40 and 50 in a matter of minutes. That is absolutely insane. All the stops and targets spelled out by the price, which would make it 39 trades, correct? On the first trade, first target was respected, correct? On the second trade, what did we say? Absolutely not. Price is heading higher. Decision point 2 was the crucial target. And price blasted to reversal zone. You witness the importance of stop placement. You witness the importance of the trail. And again, and again, and again. You're trading today as a day trader. You better have substantial account size. This is heavenly market for option traders. For day traders only if you have substantial account size.